Hey guys, today I have a really exciting video. We're going to be doing a bit of a haul. I got a message from, I don't know how to say it. I think it's Dossier. I feel like I may be butchering that, but if not, that's how you say it. So they reached out to me. Okay, so anyway, Dossier reached out to me and they were like, hey, we want to send you some perfumes in exchange for a video. So I just want to be transparent at the start of this video that they did ask me to film this, but I'm not being paid and they haven't told me like anything to say in the video. They were basically just like, we want to send you some perfumes in exchange for a video. So just to be, I was going to say thorough, to be transparent, they sent me all of these perfumes, which I'm so excited about. So let's get into them. So basically, if you haven't heard of Dossier before, I feel like I'm butchering this and I feel like I'm not saying it right. Dossier. I think that's how you say it. I don't know. Anyway, if you haven't heard of this brand before, basically they do like cheaper versions, or dupes of like expensive perfumes basically. So I'm gonna go onto their website real quick so I can tell you what ones we got. Okay, perfect. So yeah, basically they dupe like more expensive perfumes. So let's have a look at them. So they come in this cute little packaging, which I think is really sweet. The first one that we have here is called Floral Violet. And so these are the little boxes, and then when you open them up, they look like this, and they come with this cute little card that like tells you about perfume and stuff. And then we have our cute little perfume in here, and I don't know, there's something so satisfying about this bottle. I feel like because it just is like really simple, it just looks like really simple and elegant and expensive, you know what I mean? But anyway, so the first one that we have here is called Floral Violet, was that right? This is inspired by Marc Jacobs Daisy, which retails for $119, and this perfume is $49. And we have a 4.5 star rating, and that's out of 1,168 reviews. Oh, I feel like I need to by the end of this video, I'm gonna ooh. This smells really, really nice. I haven't actually smelt Marc Jacobs Daisy, but it just smells really, really nice and light. Elegant, elegant. Okay. So the notes are, it says the top notes are watermelon, pomelo, strawberry, middle notes are violet, gardenia and jasmine, and base notes are musk, vanilla and blonde woods. So yeah, that one smells really, really nice. So that was our first perfume. The next one we have is called Fruity Honey. And this is meant to be Jo Malone's Nectarine Blossom and Honey, which retails for $249, and this one is $49. And this one also has a 4.5 star rating. So this is our Fruity Honey. No, I just love the bottles. I just think they look so nice. I can't wait to display them. This one is really, really, really interesting. I don't think I've ever smelled anything like this before. I don't even know how to describe it. Oh, it's so random, so random, but I really like it. It's really, really unique. The top notes are blackcurrant, green leaves, middle notes are honey and nectar, and base notes are peach and vetiver. Yeah, I do like that one. It's very unique. I don't know how to explain it. Normally I'm quite a vanilla-y, warm kind of scent girly, but these are quite they smell super unique and high-end. Our next one is Citrus Green Apple, which is inspired by Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue, and this one retails for $85, but they are selling theirs for $49. And so I was kind of a little bit skeptical, because I don't really have a whole lot of high-end perfumes, but I was skeptical, and my mum smelt this one because she has smelt the Dolce & Gabbana one. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but anyway, and she said this is an exact dupe, and I was like, oh, okay, that's cool. Oh, this one's real nice. There's something real peppery about it or something, I don't know. Oh, I don't even know, like, I do like this one a lot. This is going to be my scent for today. Yeah, it's real nice. It gives me, I don't know, it just makes me feel like rich or something. Anyway, top notes are green apple, lime, and cedrat. Middle notes are bluebell, jasmine, rose. Base notes are amber, cedarwood, and musk. I really like that one. This one here is ambery vanilla, and this one is meant to be inspired by YSL's Black Opium, which I actually have smelled, and this is a dead on dupe. Like, it really shocked me because, you know, like, I feel like, you know, when you hear things like, you know, it's meant to be a dupe or whatever, like, you know, there's always a little bit of variation, but literally dead on, dead. Like, I want to do like a smell test where like I spray like them on like different sheets of paper and try and get like my family to pick them out or something like that, because it's just insane. I do really like Black Opium. And yeah, this smells exactly like it. Once again, this one is $49. And yeah, it's inspired by Black Opium, and Black Opium retails for $220. Oh, I love it so much. This one's called Ambery Vanilla. I can't remember if I said that or not. But anyway, top notes are mandarin, pear, pink pepper, and licorice. Middle notes are jasmine, orange blossom. Base notes are cedarwood, patchouli, vanilla, and coffee. We have floral marshmallow next. This one is actually $69. I can't tell if it's like this one retails for $69, so this one is a bit more expensive. And this is inspired by Killian's Love, Don't Be Shy. Killian's Love retails for $385. I love like the different colours. I don't know why they're very satisfying to me, but this one's like obviously more of like an orange liquid. This one I really, really like. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know, it reminds me of like school or like my teacher or something. Like, you know, like this gives me like woman in authority position vibes. Oh, it smells real, real nice. I really like that one. This might be one of my favourites. I think this one, the citrus green apple, and also the ambery vanilla, I think those are my favourite. So this one has top notes of marshmallow, neroli, and bergamot. Middle notes of orange blossom, honeysuckle, jasmine, and orris. Base notes of amber, vanilla, and musk. So yeah, I do really like that one. We're on to our lucky last. Oh, I don't remember what this one is. Fruity jasmine, cute. So this one is inspired by Dior's J'adore, which retails for $190, and this one is $49. Oh, I do really like this one too. My mum says she hates J'adore. Oh, I like it though. Oh yeah, that's really, really nice. I don't know why my mum doesn't like it. My mum is very, very sensitive to scents. I feel like she doesn't like anything that's like too strong, and this is quite a strong perfume, I feel like. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, this one might also be a top contender. So this is mandarin green, oh, top note, sorry, is mandarin, green leaves, and sweet pea. Middle notes is jasmine, ylang ylang, shempaka, peach, and base notes is sandalwood, plum, and musk. So anyway, those are all of the scents I received from Dossier. I'm so excited to kind of start like picking them apart. Like, I feel like, I don't know if anyone else is like this, but when it comes to like scent, I get really overwhelmed. So when I'm smelling lots of different scents, I really struggle to kind of like pick them apart. I don't know. So I'm really excited to like start using them like over the next coming weeks and like start to like really weed out like my favorites and like, I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, like start spending time with the perfume. Like I feel like I'm someone that really needs to like have a good solid wear of the perfume to like, what's the word, like to really like I don't know, like, but you know what I mean, like I feel like I need to like test them out a lot before like they really become favorites. But yeah, I've got a few that I feel like are top contenders. So yeah, thank you so much Dossier for sending those over. I really, really appreciate it. And if you want to test them out, then I will leave a Dossier linked below. Just because I've been on their website, I've looked and it says if you add 3 perfumes, you get 10% off plus free shipping. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.